Trying to hit 150 grams of protein every single day usually ends up feeling like a second job. And if your current strategy relies on eating dry chicken breasts until your jaw hurts, that plan collapses pretty quickly. But you can hit exactly 155 grams of protein today using a simple, step-by-step framework broken across just 4 easy meals. Take a look at this daily template. You don't need complex recipes or a spreadsheet to fill it out. Instead, we treat the day as plug-and-play mathematical blocks. Once that tracker locks into place, we just check off each box. By splitting a massive 150-gram goal into 4 calculated blocks, you never reach 4 p.m. staring down a massive protein deficit, trying to figure out how to eat 80 grams of meat in one sitting. Step 1 is breakfast. Our only objective here is to build a solid 35-gram foundational base of protein within an hour of waking up. The mistake most people make is frying up 5 whole eggs. That gives you the protein, but it burns through a massive chunk of your daily fat allowance before you've even started your commute. To fix this, we use the volume hack. We take a small amount of whole food for flavor and combine it with a liquid protein source for pure volume. Here's the exact ratio. Scramble 2 whole eggs with a cup of liquid egg whites. This combination gives you the same physical volume, doubling the protein yield while keeping fats low. That 35 grams drops into slot 1 on our tracker. Securing 35 grams early means the remaining 115 grams are distributed across 3 more meals, removing the pressure to catch up later in the afternoon. Now we move to midday. Meal 2 is where we hit our highest single protein peak of the day at 45 grams. As this skillet graphic shows, we rely on a high-yield lean meat like chicken or turkey as the primary engine for this heavy lifting. To extract 45 grams of protein, you only need about 6 ounces of cooked meat. That is a completely standard, highly manageable portion size. Don't overcomplicate the prep work. Add a simple seasoning blend, pair it with basic carbs like rice or a wrap, and you're done. That 45-gram engine drops into meal 2, which pushes our running total to 80 grams. Crossing the 80-gram mark before 2 p.m. puts you over the halfway point of the day, with 2 full eating windows still available to reach the goal. Around 3:30 p.m., the afternoon energy slump hits. This is when people usually reach for a so-called protein bar that actually packs more sugar than a standard candy bar. Or worse, they try to suffer through a shaker bottle of cheap protein powder mixed with lukewarm water. It's grim, and it leaves you starving. Mixing a serving of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt with a scoop of whey protein provides a massive protein hit without any cooking time. The math here is highly synergistic. You pull 25 grams of protein from the whey and another 17 grams straight from the yogurt base. Because the powder thickens the yogurt, the texture mimics a rich dessert. You satisfy your sweet tooth while eating highly functional food. That snack adds a massive 42 grams to our ongoing daily framework. Deploying this high-density intervention in the afternoon kills your cravings entirely and nearly wipes out the remaining deficit before dinner even starts. Step 4 is dinner. Because of the work we did earlier, we only need a modest 33 grams of protein to clear the finish line. This plate shows how flexible dinner gets. You can easily pull 33 grams from a normal, enjoyable serving of salmon, lean beef, or firm tofu. You don't even need a food scale for this. A piece of protein roughly the size and thickness of your smartphone hits the number perfectly. And because you kept your fats low during breakfast and lunch, you have plenty of room in your macro budget to cook with olive oil or add a heavier sauce to your carbs. Adding that final 33-gram block locks us in at exactly 155 grams for the day. Front-loading the complex macro math into the morning and afternoon is what creates this flexibility. You hit your 150-gram target without ever having to ruin your evening dinner plans. You have just constructed a complete, high-protein day with minimal cooking friction. To maintain this momentum, utilize the volume hack, combining whole food sources with liquid protein to maximize size and nutrients while keeping fats in check. Rely on zero-cook combinations like the yogurt and whey bowl to eliminate preparation fatigue when your energy is at its lowest. Take a look at this exact blueprint. Every block serves a specific mathematical purpose, culminating in a successful 155-gram day. Take a screenshot of this layout right now. Use it as your definitive grocery list for tomorrow and turn this nutritional math into physical action.